Yet again, in alternate realities, the sins stir stories to life. Did you know there's a compass that doesn't point north, but toward your deepest desire? Maya found one after losing the love of her life. The needles spun wildly, then locked onto a direction that promised reunion. But the path led through dangerous territories. First came pride's white cliffs, whispering that she deserved love more than anyone else. The golden valleys of greed demanded pieces of her soul as payment for passage. In envy's green forests, twisted mirrors showed her everyone who had the love she'd lost. With each step, the compass grew brighter, feeding on her pain. Her pure love slowly twisted into something darker. She no longer wanted reunion. She wanted to steal love from others, to make them suffer as she had. The compass pulsed with power, but Maya finally understood the truth. To destroy it, she had to let go of her deepest want entirely. Only by releasing her yearning could she break free. Which sin territory would corrupt your heart first?